Harshila and welcome back to my channel. Also welcome to another video of Diva Log series. Now this is a very different video and I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time. I think since I started my channel, and it's been over 2 years that I started my channel and I never really got around filming this, which is DIYing and probably upcycling clothes. And I have quite a few things that I usually, whenever I'm shopping, I pick up things thinking that I'll upcycle it or recycle it, and that never really happened so far. So I thought that I might as well just sit down and do little things. These aren't like very difficult or like intricate things that I'm gonna do. These are very easy, just like a little bit of like cutting, no sewing, probably like just ironing few iron patches and transfer paper stuff. So yeah, just that. If that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. And I have quite a few of them, as you can see. So I am just going to upcycle them, recycle, DIY, whatever. So without further ado, let's just actually get into the video. These are the things that you'll be needing. Iron, if you have iron patches, then I just got mine from Amazon. I'll link them below. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. And this is actually a chalk which tailors use. I just bought it so that I can mark. And fabric scissors would be better, but I just have these, so I'm just gonna use them. I also have transfer paper, and something really went down, but I will talk about it when I'll actually be using it. But so far, these are the things that at least I am going to be needing. I'm just wearing these high-waisted pants, so it would be easier for me to mark where exactly I want the top to be hitting. So which is somewhere where this top is hitting me, I think there. So yeah, I'm most excited to crop this t-shirt, and I know where I want to crop it, so I'm not going to mark, but exactly here. Like I want this whole circle to be there, and I wanted to cut the t-shirt right here. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how this turns out actually. So this is the first DIY. I just cut it off, and it was actually a little tedious since we didn't really have the fabric scissors, and the material is kind of jersey. So make sure that someone's like pulling it, or at least you're keeping something really heavy so that the fabric doesn't just like gather. So that was the problem. I was not really able to cut, and that is why the finish is not it doesn't look really good. But for me it works, because I don't know, I really like how rough and good this looks. And yeah, like I like it, man. This literally looks like I bought it from like Forever 21 or something like that. Like I'm damn sure. These are hitting me right here, so I think I'm going to crop it like right there. Okay, it's not showing. Yeah, about that. I know it is not showing on the camera because of the color, but I can see it, so it works. Was my marking, but I went a little below that and I cut it off. Now if you want, you can keep these pieces and probably make like a tube top or something like that, since these are also really nice. Now this is the next top that I cropped. This is just a camisole that I got from Colaba. This is for 120 rupees or so. I just cropped it off and that's it. I was actually planning on going with an iron patch on this. since this is a jersey material, I couldn't actually go in with an iron. But yeah, I think as is it looks fine and looks really nice. Like my mind has just been blown seeing that, you know, you can just do little things and probably just change up your clothes altogether. Like I just cut it off and you'll see what I did with the rest of the fabric. Like you'll be blown. Okay, so this is the leftover piece of the cami that we just saw, which was cropped. So I just cut it off, and whatever was remaining I just used it like a tube top. Now again, this end is sort of unfinished. If you want, you can go ahead and use like fabric bond or something like that and probably just roll it, or you can sew it. But I just wanted to show you what you can do. But unfinished rough edges is something that we are going for. So I think this looks really nice. So this I picked it up from the men's section, and I think I'm gonna crop it, say about right there, because I don't want it to be too cropped. And I might do an iron patch here, not decided, but yeah, I am definitely going to crop it. Actually, technically this is the third one, but yeah, this is what I sort of recycled or upcycled, you can say so. So as I said or mentioned that this is the t-shirt that I actually picked up from the men's section. So while I think I did say that I would crop it, but while I was, you know, doing the DIY thing, I figured that I would just keep it as is. All that I did was I put this patch on that just says cool, and I think it looks really nice and so different already. I mean, I'm sure if I would have cropped it, it would have looked like probably nicer, but like as is, it's not bad, so that's okay, and probably my brother will be happy too. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I think this has to be my favorite. Actually, I don't know, probably the tube one has to be my favorite because I didn't see it coming, or maybe the red one, I don't know, but this looks really nice. I would want to cut it here, so I'm just going to take my marker and just, you know, probably make a marking. I know it's very light, but yeah, I can see it. So yeah, probably that much I'm gonna cut it. So for this, actually there was a little bit of mishap. Like I tried putting this on, but don't be like me, please measure and then only stick it. So I tried putting this here, but it's too much on the left, so you want to make sure that it's not there. So yeah, I think I'm going to place it here now. Now this is the last top that I actually DIY'd. So all that I literally did was put on this patch. Now I'm not that happy with the patch as well. Like I thought it would stick better, but it's not sticking that well. I think I'll go over with another patch later. I just wanted to show you things that you can do, and I know these are not like out of the box things, but yeah, I still wanted, because I haven't done one of these videos, so I thought I'll probably just sit down and make a video about it. And again, I actually wanted to crop it, but then I thought I shouldn't, because I really didn't have the fabric scissors, and I faced a lot of problems while I was cutting other t-shirts that you saw or tops that you saw. So yeah, I think the biggest learning from this particular video has to be, one, do not make DIY videos. No, I'm just kidding. One has to be, please have fabric scissors on hand. That will really help you. Again, probably you know this, but I was dumb enough, so this is for future self. If you are watching this, please make sure that you are using fabric scissors the next time you sit down filming a DIY video, I guess. And I think the next one that I want to say is like, know your fabrics. Like, I didn't know that the other top was a jersey material, and I thought that I would put on an iron badge, but it was not feasible since I was too scared to burn it. So just know your fabrics. I think those are the only two things. And yes, oh my god, I was gonna do this transfer paper thing, and that was also a huge fail. Now I have to figure it out. Also, another thing that I want to put it out, if you guys don't know, because I didn't know that, so I'll just show you. So this is a transfer paper, okay? So if you have red lines, that means it's for light fabric, and if you have you know, blue lines, it means that it is for dark fabric. I didn't know that, and I actually bought this for a darker fabric, and then I thought that I'll put it on a white t-shirt. I actually even printed it out. Also, one more thing, please do not print out a letter or a sentence, because that is not going to help you. You'll have to cut down each and every letter. So make sure that you do, like, if you want to do a transfer paper thing, make sure that it is just like a scenery or something like that with no letters. Yeah, I think those are all my lessons, and yeah, something I learned, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Also, this is really fun, really short video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.